Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I got another TMG volunteer rolling out of the shop today. This one's going on, man, Joe in California, Dojo's Barbecue. I'll tell you what, Joe cooks up some good barbecue. He makes some good dough, too, though. Let me tell you what, he does sourdough, wood-fired pieces. He does it all down there. He actually came up to Knoxville a while back with my buddy Chris Stafford, and he cooked us some wood-fired pieces. They were fire. So he ended up ordering a volunteer. We got it all done for him. Now, he did get it on our off-road package. Guys, what's nice about our volunteers is on a shorter lead time. So you can order one of these bad boys and get them in 16 and 20 weeks, even on the off-road package. Hey, he even added a stainless steel front shelf. Still 16 to 20 weeks. But we'll check her out here. So we'll open up the smoke chamber. Now, the Volunteer is a big smoker, guys. So the smoke chamber is all 1/4 inch plate steel, 27 inches in diameter, 52 inches long. So you got a lot of cook room. It does have a water pan tray back here. It's back behind the cooking grate, so you're not going to take up any room, any cooking space with your water pan. So you got that in there. It does have a ball valve grease drain down there on the bottom. Got 2 TMG Pits Tell True thermometers in there. Like I said, beautiful stainless steel front shelf, off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires. This thing looks badass. Come around with the firebox here. Now, the Volunteer does have a 3/8 thick firebox, so super thick firebox, holds heat really well. Does have D-ring tie-down points on all 4 corners, and the fold-down stack, guys. Fold-down stack standard on the Volunteer. I won't make you pay extra for that, but that's Joe's Volunteer. We're about to go box it up and ship it over to California for him. Now, I'm going to get in there and start working on the next one. So, guys, if you need one heck of a backyard pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.